Hi, my name is Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at Daily Beats. In today's video, I'm going to make a sampled, maybe old school rap, let's see, or beat or instrumental, let's see how it goes. And let's jump right into FL Studio. So I have this sample here that I was just browsing and I really enjoyed. And I will not use it like this, even though the sample already it's quite nice. What I'm going to do is to sample this into something else. Okay, so we have something here. Let's go to a new pattern and let's do this. Let's cut these parts here and let's duplicate this. Let's see how it goes with the metronome. I kind of like it. Okay, so maybe we can now okay, so we can now do this part here for the end, or actually not the end. Maybe we can start with this one and move this one here and have this just in a loop like that. Let's see if this sounds nice. I like it, but maybe let's do like this. Let's maybe do something like that, so it's not so... Okay. Normal sample. Now we can, for instance, pitch it on a much higher pitch. I like this pitch. So I already completely lost the bass note of the track. So if we do some math, we will find it. So let's now start creating some stuff here. Let's go down. Let's see even lower. I like this. And now we can start creating maybe let's see here. Maybe higher. Let's see. Even though I don't like this A here. Okay, let's try something different here. I like that. Okay, so let's now add an 808. Let's go with the flex. And at this time I already have the bass of the beat, but I don't have yet the drums. So yeah, this sometimes can happen. So we are in D sharp. I like this. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Okay, for this bass we can add some distortion to make it even grittier. Let's go with, let's close this. Okay, I like that. So now let's start thinking about drums. Let's go here to Daily Beats, Drum Kits, Headbanging Trap Drums. Let's go with this kit here. Let's find some snares. I like this one. Let's use this one also and have a combination of both. Let's do something like that. A lot of kicks here. Let's do a little bit of swing. Okay, for this kick, I also want to make it stronger. So let's use trash again. And let's again use some drive. And let's add a little bit of gain. So this is the snare, this is the 808, this is the piano, and this is the sample. Okay, I think I like this EQ, so I will keep it like that. Okay, so now hi-hats. I like this one. Let's make just two-step. Sorry, two-step. Now we can probably find another one just to give a little bit of bounce. Okay, so let's try this one. And let's put just... Actually what we can do is like fill it 4 steps and move this. Okay, so now we can make it lower. Okay, so what else could we add here? I'm thinking maybe some strings. So let's go ahead and use expand too. I would like to use Sony Vox, but it takes a little bit longer to load, so I prefer to use this one. Let's go to strings and let's see. Okay, so I like that. Okay. Let me see. Let's record this. Or let's see. Let me see what notes do I can use. Maybe go up. And we can even try a different octave. I actually prefer this one. Not sure if I prefer this one, but let's see a different one. Something like that, just to increase the energy as we go. If you like this video, just leave a thumbs up, and if you are new here to the channel, consider subscribe and activate notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. And if you'd like to support this channel, consider buying one of my products at dailybeats.pt or become a premium or exclusive member, and you will have access to the full video where I show you the full process on how I make these tracks. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to send me your project files for me to mess around with it, try to make them better or whatever, I will have a link in the description and you can send me your projects. And I think this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.